Welcome to the Adobe Photoshop CS Fundamentals course. My name is Melanie, and I will guide you through this course. First, I'd like to give you some background on the journey you are about to take. You have been traveling around the world for the last year. Now that you are home, you want to take some time to work with some of the beautiful pictures and postcards you have collected during your travels. Using the tools Adobe Photoshop CS provides, you will learn how to digitally enhance and retouch your photos to improve image quality. In this course, you will learn how to get started with Adobe Photoshop CS. You will also learn how to interpret detailed information about the properties of photos. In addition, you will learn how to work with photos to enhance them.